Greenhouse effect. The materials needed to produce this model are some layers of acetate, a table of 30 for 30 centimeters, a candle wax, a heat source, a glass flask, black, yellow, and green china paper, 5 sheets of acetate paper, lot of adhesive tape, a brown, opal sheet and insoles of houses, some silicone, a metallic base, an aluminum mesh cardboard box of 30 for 30 for 15 centimeters.
The term of greenhouse refers to the phenomenal switch by the earth warm and also to the general warming of the planet. To maintain in the optimal environment condition for life, it's indispensable that we understand the complex relationship there are established between the earth and the atmosphere. The earth receives the heat and the sun. Some gases atmosphere retains about a part of this escape to return to the space. The equilibrium situation is a dangerous cause for the air pollution, where the causes of gases retains so much heat and air to the surface. The temperatures around the globe increased in the last century and could be proved of global climate change. Risk levels of the change in the environment possess the three on living things.
Causes. Those responsible for this effect are mainly carbon dioxide and methane. These gases, together with others, have existed since the earth's origins, but their presence in the atmosphere began to multiply during the Industrial Revolution, when technological advances forced the use of fossil fuels. Since then, this dynamic has only increased, reaching 35% more carbon dioxide than at pre-industrial levels.
Consequences. Desertification. The process of the desertification is observed in many parts of the world and is a serious threat to the environment and to agricultural yield in some areas. When provoked with human activity, it is often called desertification. Deforestation. Deforestation is also a contributing factor in climate change. The forest soils are moist, but without the protection of tree cover. Shade creaking. The trees also help perpetuate the hydrological cycle by returning the water vapor to the atmosphere. Flooding. It consists of the invasion or covering of water in air that in normal conditions are kept close. Hurricanes, typhoons. These are low-pressure systems with rain and electric activity whose winds rotate and time. Drought. Lack of rainfall that during a prolonged period of time that produce dryness in the fields and water shortage. Melting of the polar caps. The rise of the level sea caused by the thawing of the polar caps to be intimately related to increase of the temperature on the Earth.
Steps for the model. First step, make a hole below the board so that the gas can come out.
After having the model already casted, the city will be made a bath with the sheets of acetate paper and brown ribbon with a size of 32 by 32 centimeters. Carefully placing the acetate paper base on top of model. After having incorporated it into the model, it will be sealed with silicone, causing the gas not to be deposited in the open air so that the gas does not come out of the model.
The candle to pies, I have to insert them into the flask. Put the mesh on the metal vase. I place the flask on top. Place the head start inside a vest for the model.
Place the model on top of the base, which in this case is the cardboard box. Being able to ignite the heat source, heat the flask and expel the gas to the model. Already having everything put and ready to be able to experiment, the heat source is carefully turned on, waiting for the time necessary to set the direction of the candle, and so the gas comes out, expelled to the hull of the model. And so looking at the model, it shows a simulation of the greenhouse gases in the city, where you can notice the great pollution of these gases are water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, oxides of nitrogen and ozone.